Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to add an Emirates ticket to Apple Wallet, boarding pass setup on iPhone step by step. Method 1. Add Emirates boarding pass from the Emirates app. Step 1. Open the Emirates app on your iPhone. Step 2. Sign in and open Manage your booking. Step 3. Enter your booking details if your flight isn't already displayed. Step 4. Complete online check-in when it becomes available. Step 5. After checking in, open your digital boarding pass. Step 6. Look for the option to add to Apple Wallet or save to Wallet. Step 7. Tap the option and wait for the Apple Wallet screen to appear. Step 8. Tap Add in the upper right corner. Method 2. Add it from the Emirates website. Step 1. Open the Emirates website in Safari on your iPhone. Step 2. Sign in and open your booking. Step 3. Now complete online check-in. Step 4. Select the option to download or save your mobile boarding pass. Step 5. If Add to Apple Wallet appears, tap on it. Step 6. Then tap Add to save the pass. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.